Okay, my people, now welcome back to my channel. How una dey? I hope una dey fine. How everything? I hope everything dey fine with una. For me, as una dey see, I dey fine. I thank God for everything. My people, I don't come back again with another news, another ogbonge one. Wey be say, if you see this one, my people, it go chocolize you. If everywhere don't read, my people. I say only me one not go see this video. Make una also see this video, make una settle down, watch this video till the end. I beg my people also, if you never subscribe to this channel, what do you they wait for? As you they subscribe, you could see more video like this one. Okay, my people, I beg, make una subscribe, like and share. For this junction, I go to leave una, make una watch the video, and I go also see you now for the next one. Okay, my people, see you all, stay blessed. Stay cool, and I love you all, and bye-bye.
Yes, my good people of Edo State. Écoutez, des apous. Il est sans la diambiasa pour qu'elle a dit, il est béni du warrior. On a des girls. As I reach here, and I saw some total beauty, naija. If you come outside and look the top beauty and go your belly full. Since yesterday I never shop. They say make I go shop. I say would they shop for this kind of thing? Ha! Una dey enjoy. See us now, see road down, no gallop, no poto. Oh, I no go out again though. After this show, I go the Aduro for Campo. And I can another wow. Yes, I am here, my people. Berlin, your sister is here, your friend is here.
Okay, now you be lady of song.
Now me, oh my brother, how you telling me?
Welcome, madam.
Thank you.
Berlin.
Yeah, you did not person, oh.
Madam, I see your poster everywhere. Now I see your poster.
Eh?
Welcome, madam.
Yeah, I don't come.
You don't come.
I don't come. I want to give you now sweet music. I not say don't say one I come up for Nigeria.
We don't
we not they hear.
We not hear anything.
I say make I carry and come. I don't carry and come. So make una come out. Make
see lady of song for Berlin, oh.
When we both see me, they say hello, Sister Caro. Oh, how are you? You are here in Berlin. Oh, you both see know me, oh.
Nobody
knows Sister Caro.
Everybody.
He say, now you be Sister Caro. I say, now me, oh, my brother, I come this place, so make I come give you now Obito. He say, what if the Obito? Now I say, tonight, come and see.
Tonight is the night.
Yes, tonight is the night.
Berlin City.
It's going to be light.
Life band.
Now you know.
Oba EDOKPAYI.
So
Berlin.
please, my people, show me love. When I show my sister love now, I beg. Because when me I didn't want me and me do the bed, the only love you need to show to me is to come to my show
Tonight.
Please buy your ticket. Ticket still there.
Ticket day.
Come to the address tonight. Buy your ticket by the gate. Just buy your ticket by the gate so that we can do this thing together. Today and tomorrow. Tomorrow is what again? Today, tonight.
Today in Berlin. We are in Berlin now. We are in Berlin.
So we're going to do this thing together. Even as you not feel call, we're still a female and women now. But make sure you come and enjoy.
Yeah, we must. Berlin today is shut down. Yeah, Berlin, huh? Berlin.
Stay tuned. Don't sleep. Don't touch the car.
Berlin. Come and join us. We are doing video call. For Berlin today's show. Concert.
Yeah. Music concert.
We are not singing.
No.
Come
and watch in Berlin today.
Where?
Surprise Club Potsdamerplatz. Potsdamerplatz. Yes. Yeah.
When?
Where are you? You're from Italy.
Yes.
Oh, Paolo! Bene. Yeah.
So what time?
What time? 8 o'clock? 8 o'clock. Yeah. Potsdamerplatz. Yeah. Cool. Live music. Yeah. She's the actress. Live music and live with guitar, keyboard, piano, everything. Everything. Perfect. Pasta belle.
Pizza and pasta.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Take. Show them. Show her to them.
You see, look at that video. Wow. Superstar.
Wow.
Yeah, you see, superstar. Yeah, superstar. You see, that's her.
Ooh, nice vibe.
You see? You see that? You see?
Wahala dey o.
Hey, Belly. Belly. You do like this. You see, live music. Live. She play live guitar, keyboard, everything. Live. No playback. Live music. No. Live music. You see? Live music. Tonight, 8 o'clock. Perfect. Yeah. Hey, man. Yeah. You see? Yeah. Wana. Eh? Wana. No, we saw that this. Wana. Eh? Osa wana.
Yes, people. Yes, summer. Why wa wese? Why ube ya right from Benin, from Dublin, to UK.
From Dublin
to
London to Manchester.
And it's from Dublin to London, from London to Manchester, from Manchester
Paris.
to Paris, from Paris to Berlin now. And from Berlin we're going to Rotterdam tomorrow. And say your fefe why when I ask you show now day. Osanu dazi ogi asan wa ya say. Olowo meka onu wa ki eke nu wa. Wa mi popo yeye. Then why are you boy your yeke when the show na hin on ba. Wa o wa mi ye wa ma wa mi ya Osanu dazi ogi ahunu wa in times of needs. Ogi ahunu wa in times of need. Wa ya we say. Why will my day ticket where? I take where as a gate, why you make ticket there? A 15 or what kind of there? You can about 20 something here. So why you make ticket there? And I have 15 for there. Or when immortal, even say nega great travel. Hey, everyone of us.
Teach me that one, may I sing?
Almost a go away. Everyone of us who you make a lie. When you're in Paris, even so, Mamma again, I'm Mutia. And I was fast a lady of song, you know, Takarono. Oh, Mamma Miaga. Oh, go, weather. Oh, Mamma Miaga, Timahia Mutia. You're not getting la way and I'm Mutia. My Bible, no, I say, why I was say. Oh, why I never walk it a blue for me. Oh, why you make it to tie you? Why I was say, some doesn't know. So my hands true say, you know, I say, my letter, maybe my mouth ahead. You know, she, Wahamepona, or
wait till with that one. Mona, teach me this word. I don't understand.
Very merry manania. Over when you went in Nigeria. Mashali aye London. Only figure would do. Nigeria there. Only a man over Nigeria. Oh, on all Berlin, on Gallo. Yeah, my people, get my army. Oh. I love you. I love you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless
Yes,
everyone
we
that is promoting
are
agriculture.
here in Berlin, Potsdamer Platz. You see, Potsdamer Platz is a very important place. Whenever Obama comes to Berlin or any important place, that's the re-scan. 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 And Sister Carol is also here. Sister Carol is also here. Esther EDOKPAYI concert tonight in Berlin, almost sold out. We have few tickets remaining. Your tables, come grab your tables. Marvelous. In another 1 hour, we're going for sound check. Sound check. Ratingen tomorrow. Ratingen tomorrow. Don't miss that. Don't miss that. Don't miss that.
DJ, how was the ticket sales in Ratingen? First off.
No, the ticket sales in Ratingen, you know, I don't know where to start from. I really don't know where to start from. You see, what most people don't understand, we have been doing shows for so long, for a couple of years now, and the Lady of Song, I can categorically say she is one of the artists that have recorded the highest pre-sale tickets so far in any concert. Believe me, I say that. I go by the name DJ Ike. They call me the most wanted. The highest sales, the highest sales of pre-sale, any show here in Europe, Esther EDOKPAYI, Lady of Songs, has recorded that. Until now, we are still getting messages, we are still getting sales of tickets. Even last week, we stopped the sales of Ratingen due to the hall. We have a hall, 1,200 capacity, and they are begging us, we cannot sell more than 600. We are even begging them now if they can increase so we can still sell more tickets. Please, if you are here in Berlin tonight, and if you are here in Berlin tonight, come out. Ratingen tomorrow, we already told you, come out early. Come out early. 8 p.m. gates are open. By 11, we are going to lock that gate.
Okay, DJ, can you just make people understand that Ratingen, all the cities that are around Ratingen are coming because
you see, when we are saying Ratingen, you know, you people don't understand Ratingen. It's called Ratingen Düsseldorf. We have Düsseldorf. It's just 3 minutes drive to Ratingen. Essen is just 10 minutes drive. Cologne is just 25 minutes drive. Mönchengladbach, 20 minutes drive. Duisburg, 10 minutes drive. It's Ratingen is in the middle. Wuppertal, Düsseldorf, Essen, Dortmund, Cologne, Oberhausen, you know, You see, the Zion ladies, they already got their table. From Oberhausen, they got their table. Treasure, they got their table. So sorry, madam.
All those people where they call Zion ladies, where they're not the year what though.
You see,
anywhere in Sakaro, you go there, you go back.
These women, they have been saying, I don't even want to tell you the plans they have. I don't want to tell you the plans they have. Because these women, they have been disturbing my phone, they have been disturbing my line. And do you even know what? In Ratingen, we have many superstars coming. Many superstars coming. If I start mentioning names now, you see, I just got a confirmation from London this morning that the one and only JJ. Do I finish saying it?
Yeah.
The one and only JJ Barry is going to be landing Düsseldorf. The leader of all leaders.
The show bolos.
The Odogun, the Akataka one. There is no any other JJ Barry is a counterfeit.
No, not there.
Only one JJ Barry. He's going to land tomorrow morning in Düsseldorf. Landing tomorrow morning.
The easy going one.
Yeah, just normal. No stress. So Ratingen 8 o'clock, the doors are open.
No,
Please.
no,
I have to lock the door. I have to see, madam. If it's possible, I am begging you. If we can do another show for Ratingen, if it's possible, please. No, because right now we can't. Not everybody can go in. Not everybody. Please come early. Come early. I am begging. Come early. Come early. We have superstars coming. We have freestyle coming. Really? Not okay. Now let me even tell you about that. Freestyle is on her way. Freestyle is going to be there. You see, freestyle is going to be there, and the music she's going to drop. Bombo clap. When you say bombo clap, tonight, calling me, everything, she's going to drop it. And you want to sing reggae?
Yeah, now. Rastafari, Celestia, yeah. Bongo.
Go there, natty day. Go there, natty day.
Now which one be that?
Don't worry. Tomorrow is the mother of all shows.
Bam.
You see, you people have been saying London, Manchester, Dublin, Paris, this. You see, I don't want to say too much. I don't want to say too much.
No, not
tomorrow in Ratingen, come and witness. No, this is no. There is no competition. No, Ratingen, no, zero competition, zero. When you say no competition, Paris was just an introduction.
Okay, Paris people, they're wicked though.
Madam, Paris is an introduction. Paris is an introduction.
Hey, that woman, when they call never give up, she's a very wicked person.
Forget never give up. Forget never give up. Okay. Let me tell you, the media president is there. The Aigbogun #1 of Europe is there. I just finished with Skimmy now on the phone. Barry is landing. Degbueyi from London is landing. Freestyle is landing. The one and only Fresh Boy is landing. So what are we talking about? DJ Owas is landing. DJ Lexi is landing. What are we talking about? Paris, no disrespect. Don't go there. No competition.
For Paris, we go do this show again.
Listen, no disrespect. No disrespect for Paris. Please, no competition. Don't go there. Don't go there. Don't go there.
Are you going to fight?
We are not going to fight. No, you must agree. You must agree.
Paris, my people.
I can start calling them now, putting them on this live video, and you will hear what they are saying. I can start calling them. This is no matter of blah blah blah.
I know this is my brother.
Huh?
I know this is my brother. Where they call so?
You see?
No.
You see?
I know this is Pala. Yes, this is my brother. This one is one of my brother. Is so promoter. One of our brother, like this.
We are here. We are here.
I was just around the area,
and you saw us live.
Yeah. This is the most wanted
Why don't we are here in Berlin tonight. We brought the show to Berlin. We want to shut Berlin down.
Are you telling me or me telling people?
He's going to be telling people. Yeah. This is my brother from another mother. When it comes to this is my brother from another mother.
Tell the
when it comes to promoting the door to any level.
You tell the
he has been there.
Yes. You tell the
both
people
home and away.
who the most wanted.
Yes. My brother.
That is true.
When it comes to
son is
promoting the door to the world,
Esther EDOKPAYI live here in Berlin. The show goes show today. Yeah,
because no shock absorber.
I don't iron my clothes already.
Oh my God!
I don't iron my clothes. It's ready. I was even planning to host you guys.
Oh my God!
Understand? But the thing that the time factors was very, very difficult. You understand? So I supposed to be in the airport yesterday. You understand? So
I've been meeting my brother here. Yeah, I have been following him.
I just need
He supports everything, not because of this show. Anything that has to do with the door.
that is what we do. That is what we do. That is what we do. So I just can't wait.
My brother, it's so nice to see you.
Appointment when I postpone this evening. It's a very, very serious appointment, but I have no choice. I got to postpone the appointment.
Wow.
So it's not the same method to start from the beginning to the end. After that, we check the VIP. We hang out that thing.
We check, we are into the VIP. Listen. Berlin, no, wait. Let me just tell Berlin. Berlin don't even know what is coming to eat them.
Yeah. Go and get your ticket ready. As I tell
Please,
the ticket
can you tell them who
is
is in the city?
Ladies of song is in the city.
And who is with her in the city?
DJ I,
most
the
wanted.
most wanted DJ so far. Just name it. Davido is there with them. Yes. Two-Face is there.
Almost all the big stars.
is there. No big star in Nigeria when you say one land for Europe. Where I never promote, you know the world.
Even the show in Dubai. What's that? One African in Dubai.
So, all my Berliners, all my Edos, go and get your ticket ready. The ticket is still available at the gate. Yeah. It's not too expensive. Just get there. After the show,
it's the
VIP. Go to check into the VIP. Everything.
Berlin. That is Berlin. VIP. That is what she is coming for a concert. Now, father will say, I want here today. People are saying that drinks are one here.
I was even confused. I don't know what I want here. Carry Agbada. This show will carry Agbada.
I am so proud. I am so proud of the girls all over the country. I'm not back at
all my men, go and get ready. The Unique 24 guys, I'm expecting you big time.
Unique 24.
Unique
20.
You go 24. That is the most best club in Europe right here in Berlin.
Unique 24.
All men when they hot. So, all my men.
If you're Unique 24,
yes.
Berlin is already a shutdown.
Edo community, you guys are really welcome. So I just can't wait to see you guys. In short, who not even get money for ticket? Me come the gate, I will buy tickets.
Oh my God!
Just giving out 5 free tickets.
Yeah,
listen,
who not get money? Just come to the gate. As for me, everybody know me. You understand? I give you 5 tickets direct.
What?
For VIP, not even the regular.
Finish.
Yes, so I'm getting it out.
You sold out. That case closed. You sold out already.
So,
what? Paris. I know why you're Paris. Please.
Mona can't hold me. Mona hold me. Fight want to start now.
Hey, I know what's not in France. If not in France, listen, I know there would have not been a show in Europe.
No, not at all. Not at all.
Paris starts. Paris starts.
Paris is never where. France is never where.
I give Paris. The 2 lions. You see the show. The 2 lions will meet the ebagua they give. The first lion, the mother of all shows, the king of all shows was Dublin. Dublin.
Oh yeah.
Paris. Now you put out for Europe. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
All of the try. Not be so now not try. Hey. Don't start. Who want to hold the fight now? Not be say they not try.
You see.
You get this why would they give the respect?
Paris respect.
These 2 people.
Paris.
You get this why would they respect them?
Paris respect.
Yeah.
But this is Germany.
They carry your shoe. Comment as queen. No, they go bring her back.
This is Germany. This is Germany. This is Germany. What are you talking? Germany is the capital of Europe.
We know.
So no, don't.
We know. Let me say we don't know.
If you make me vex now, you are not going back to Africa. If you make me vex, what are you talking? Destiny. Take your time. If you make me vex, you are not going back. What a hell! Please, I beg. Don't say anything.
We don't hear.
This is Germany. This is Germany.
We don't hear. We don't hear. Unless good. Imagine unless we hear even now. Here can't tell me unless you are aware. Unless. Unless you are aware.
This is Germany. Paris. Paris. When first one said, Okpa. All those are our mommy and daddy. All those are mommy. Let me tell you, in Ratingen, I see Berlin today.
Now we go know.
Now I know, but as I see talking, whether I see Berlin, I see Ratingen, Paris, I give you now.
Give una one leg up. One leg up.
I give Paris one leg up. But when it comes to Germany,
2 leg up. Oh my
when it comes to
God.
Germany, 2 leg up.
Well,
We go best for Germany.
Domo, sir. Domo. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. We are
DJ Ike in the house.
Berlin about to be a shutdown.
Oh, my destiny.